Okay, so here is the Roper washer that I was telling you about. Uh, I'm going to turn it on so you can hear it. I had some laundry in it from yesterday, so I got a really nice long soak. You can hear that knocking sound. Just really not sure where that's coming from. And it's on the rinse cycle, just so you know. So there you go. There it is. There's the sound. Thanks for watching.